CTM stock analysis and CTM stock prediction. Is this thing really a buy? Let's talk about it. You know, Castellum, it's already $1. You know, wow, hooray. Before the whole day we're down like 3 point, almost 4% down. I'm going to tell you that this is very, I mean, it's all subjective how you look at things, and this is like one of the most boring, freaking intensive kind of charts that I've seen today. With all that to say is that I'm still gonna stick to something that I've tested for 40,000 videos, and I'm not even exaggerating. You can see how much videos I've done. With this specifically, I mean, let's see the drawings that I got. I was willing to buy as long as the rules were met, and then it just kind of got freaking ugly. Never got my rules met, which sucks. We can argue this is still technically a bullish market. The only thing that I care about, mate, at this point is just breaking, not touching it, and only buying as long as there's like a clean shift, right? Clean shift. And there's far better tickers, you know, so there's really like no point and no sweat to try and force stuff here. So if you do want to learn how I'm making 5 to 10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails.